Okay, today's January 2nd, and they are 7 weeks old today, and they're going to be getting their shots. And that's Ruby right there.
Okay.
And then we have,
And
there's Killian. Yeah.
here we got Keck.
This is who?
Keck.
Hey, Keck. Can you see me, Keck? Okay.
Alright. This is Aki.
And this is Aki. Aki.
Aki. Look, over there.
Yeah, that's good. Then we have...
We got these two that want to come. Lady, come here, lady. Come
Where?
here, lady. Come here, lady. Come on, lady. Oh, okay, we'll get you then. There's
Oops.
Haku.
And there's Haku. Haku over here. Haku.
Look, over there.
Okay.
Lady.
We
Come on. Come on. Hi.
Who's this one?
That's lady.
Oh, lady.
Mwah.
Lady with the black muzzle still.
Get you.
Ooh, look at that. Yeah.
Ow, ow.
That's a good one. Okay. Is that all of them?
That's all of them. I think so. Yeah.
Let's see. Look at them all squirming around you.
Hi, Ruby.
Yeah, Ruby.
Ruby.
And we got, that's Haku. There's Lady Ember. She's the only one with the collar still.
Hello, Aki.
And there's Aki. Yeah.
Ruby. Haku.
Okay, Haku. Oh, likes to give kisses.
Come here, lady.
And then there's Lady again. Ooh, look at that. She's nice and calm. Yeah. One more week and they'll all be going to the new families. And who's that tugging on you?
That's Killian.
Killian, the polar bear. Oh, not polar bear, the brown bear.
Hey, Killian.
Look at that face. Gee.
Yeah, who's that?
There they are.
Hey, you. Here's Keck. Here's Keck.
Keck. Where's Keck?
Come here, Keck.
Get in, zoom in on. Ooh, there's Keck. Look at Keck.
Yeah.
Okay.